This clay pot chicken is tender, juicy, and absolutely delicious. Use prepared chicken thigh chunks, season with rice wine, ground pepper, salt, soy sauce, and starch. Mix well. Add a little cooking oil and marinate for 20 minutes. Make the sauce: sugar, soy sauce, oyster sauce, ground pepper, starch, water, and sesame oil. Stir and set aside. Heat oil in a pan. Fry chicken until golden. It's partially cooked. Set aside. Heat the clay pot with oil. Stir fry ginger, green onions, and garlic until fragrant. Lay the chicken in. Drizzle rice wine around the pot. Cover and simmer on medium heat for 4 minutes. Pour in the sauce. Mix evenly. Cover, drizzle more rice wine, and simmer for 1 more minute. Top with green onions and serve. Rich in flavor and incredibly tasty.